So history is about prominent men and women. What about those who finished second? History is never written about them, or the losers. What do we do about such people? Because they have also been instrumental, in creating events. Because the winner will never win unless and until there is a second man who is going to lose. So why don't we write the names of these people also? And what should be done about these nice guys finished second? This also said sometime.
So first of all, history is written by the winners. As we can see in the history of the World War II, the US's bombing of Japan is viewed differently because they won the war. About the second, the runner-ups and the common people, historical instrumentalities are changing. There is the emergence of subaltern history, environmental movement, gender movements, they are also increasing in history. So those who have come second or have been subjugated, their histories are also being written now, and it would go even further to those who were never mentioned in the history, who did not even partake, their histories will also be written.
History in respect of Subhash Chandra Bose, who is generally considered to be at variance, his thoughts were at variance with Mahatma Gandhi. So have we enough mention of Subhash Chandra Bose in the history?
So as far as remembering the nationalist movement, due emphasis is given on the role of Subhash Chandra Bose, his INA movement. There are some historiography that did not give that attention to Subhash Chandra Bose, but his remarkable role as a Congress leader and then as a leader of the INA and then as a leader of the forward bloc, it is also mentioned in history.
Recently, the government took some step of, in respect of Subhash Chandra Bose, something was done in Delhi. What was that?
So first of all, under the erstwhile imperial canopy, a statue of Subhash Chandra Bose was installed at the Kartavya Path. Second of all, his birthday, which comes on 23rd January, has been declared as the Parakram Divas. Thirdly, the major islands in the Andaman and Nicobar archipelago have been named have been renamed on his birthday as Saheed after the 21 Paramveer Chakra awardees.
Who were the mentors or political guru of some of the top leaders of the freedom struggle, starting from Mahatma Gandhi?
So the mentor of the Mahatma Gandhi was Gokhale Sahab, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The mentor of Subhash Chandra Bose was Chittaranjan Das, C.R. Das.
Okay. All right. Now,